Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Aromatherapy shower steamers. These are 8 different scents to choose from. Alright, so right here we have our Aromatherapy shower steamers, natural and handmade. This is an 8-pack. So these are different essential oils. They relax stress, long-lasting fragrance, strong scent, ideals for gifts. So you have 8 soothing scents. You have chamomile for soothe and sleep. You have pomegranate and rose for relaxation. Rosemary, calm and soothe. Vanilla and orange for calm. Lavender for stress relief and sleep. Mint and eucalyptus for sinus relief. You have bergamot and mandarin for relaxation and refresh. Lemon for focus. So now to use these, you'll want to remove the shrink wrap around the scents themselves. You want to avoid heavy stream area. So you don't want it right under the stream of the shower, maybe just a little bit outside of it. Light use water stream. Don't submerge this in a bathtub. Just let it sit so where it can steam up. So these are natural, vegan, organic ingredients, no additives, sulfate free, phosphate free, it's gluten free. So these have lavender, vanilla, and orange, mint and eucalyptus, pomegranate and rose, rosemary, bergamot, and mandarin, chamomile, and lemon. So the benefits of the lavender for stress relief and sleep, vanilla and sweet orange for calming, mint and eucalyptus for sinus relief, pomegranate and rose for relaxation, rosemary for calm and soothe the nerves, bergamot and mandarin for refresh, chamomile for soothe the nerve and sleep, lemon for focus. So we're just going to use this chamomile. So the chamomile is good for the nerves and for sleep. So I'm going to toss this one in the shower as soon as I remove the plastic. So I'm going to turn on my shower. I want to make sure that you do not put any of the stream water on it so it can last longer. So I'm going to put it at the very front of the shower. And the shower head is a little bit down so it's not getting the direct water. So the shower steamers smell strong. Use 1 or 2 shower tablets at a time. Let the scent fill your entire shower. They do drip. As you can see, it's not very highly getting water. If you're looking for some kind of steamers to open up your sinuses, sleep well, some relaxation for like your home or spa, I would definitely say come and check these ones out. They smell fantastic.